Before I show you why New Yorkers put their dogs in Ikea bags, the official MTA rule is no person may bring any animal on or into any conveyance or facility unless enclosed in a container and carried in a manner which would not annoy other passengers. In 2016, the MTA began enforcing this rule, so New Yorkers got creative and began placing their pets inside old IKEA bags and other book bags. I wonder if it's somehow cruel towards animals to have them in bags. I guess they don't want incidents like this happening where a pit bull bit a young lady's Air Jordan and wouldn't let go. Apparently, this was a service dog and her owner had been attacked by the young lady. The guy ended up being arrested over
What to
this.
say about that dog? Why didn't you hold that?
She attacked me first. She attacked me first.
Anyway, that's why animals are in bags in New York City unless you're an official service dog. If you want to learn more about the New York City Subway, check out this video on the surprising reasons why the New York City Subway started. Till next time, peace, peace.